to do is officially give Imran,
Thank you,
your
thank you.
Mercedes.
Paul. Really,
How do you
thanks.
feel?
Oh,
Well done.
brilliant. To be honest, this is my dream car. I haven't bought it, I actually achieved it. So if you wanna achieve the same car, you gotta be in my car club, and it's so easy to achieve.
Thank you, Imran. I'm so glad that you are one of the first winners.
Thank you.
Because I think so the hard work, the dedication, the teamwork, and the way you work with your team is it's commendable.
Thank you.
And especially through this opportunity, so many people, hardworking people who cannot afford a car, we've got an easier way for you to achieve a car. Other compensation plans you have worked so hard to achieve a car.
And it's really happening.
It's really happening. Now, people are doing it in 2 weeks, guys.
Exactly.
2 weeks, 1 week. If it's so simple, and especially the residual side of
Yes.
things as well.
Honestly, I am excited, but I'm super excited to hit my Tier 5, where I'll be making $10,000 a month, plus this car.
And of course, if there was ever a time to actually get a second stream of income, it's now, because